Subdivision 4. There are two places A and B which are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. They have given two situations. In the first situation, one car is starting from A and another from B at the same time. One car is starting from A and another car is starting from B at the same time. Then they are traveling with different speeds. So we have assumed that the speed of the car starting from this point to be x km per hour and the speed of the car which is starting from point B to be y km per hour. They are telling that they are going to meet after 5 hours. After 5 hours, you imagine that this car from B has traveled some distance. How will you find distance? Distance is equal to time into speed. You know this formula. Now, time taken is given, it is 5 hours and the speed is y for the second car. So, the distance travelled is 5y. In the same time, this is the meeting point. This is the meeting point. In the same time, this car is travelling such big distance because both are going to meet at some point. After 5 hours, they are meeting at a particular point. This is the meeting point. Now, the distance travelled by this car is going to be, time taken is the same 5 hours, but the speed of this car is x. Now, you can see that the difference between the distances, the total distance travelled by car A is 5x and the total distance travelled by car B is, car starting from the point B is 5y. When you subtract both the distance from the total distance, if you subtract 5y, you are going to get that 100 kilometers. So we have 5x minus 5y equal to 100. That is, we have x minus y equal to 20. I have divided throughout by 5. Now bringing that 20 to this side, we will have x minus y minus 20 equal to 0. This is our first equation. In the second case, now the car is starting from A, another car is starting from B. They are going to travel in the same direction. Then they are meeting at some point. This is the meeting point, you imagine. Now they are telling they are meeting after 1 hour. When they are traveling in the same direction, they are meeting after 1 hour. 1 hour, now the distance travelled in that 1 hour is going to be time taken 1 hour into the speed, that is 1 into x, which is x. And the distance travelled by the car starting from point B, same 1 hour, the distance is going to be time taken into speed of the car, that is 1 into y, which is y. Now the total distance is travelled is this distance plus this distance. So in this case we are having x plus y, total distance, that is 100. Now we have x plus y minus 100 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we are going to solve both the equations using the cross multiplication method and find speed of both the cars. We have x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Substituting the values, x by, when you see both the equations, you can see, I will write the values for you, a1, a2. What is your a1 value? A1 value is, when you see a1 value, it is 1, a2 value is also 1. Then b1, b2. When you see B1 value, it is -1, B2 value it is +1, then C1 value is -20, C2 value is -100. Now we are going to substitute it here. B1 into C2, -1 into -100 is 100, minus B2 into C1, that is 1 into -20, that is equal to y by C1 into A2, -20 into 1, that is -20, minus of C2 into A1, that is -100 into 1, which is -100, equal to 1 by A1 into B2, 1, minus A2 into B1, that is 1 into -1, which is -1. So we are going to have x by 100 minus of -20 is +20. So 100 plus 20 is going to be 120, equal to y by -20 plus 100, that is going to be 80, equal to 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now equating the x term with the constant term, we will get x by 120 x by 120 equal to 1 by 2, implies x is equal to 120 divided by 2, that is 60. Then we have y by 80 equal to 1 by 2, that implies y is equal to, taking this 80 to the other side, we have 80 by 2. So y is equal to 40. Now speed of the car starting from point A is 60 km/h and speed of the car starting from point B is 40 km/h.